Hi friends, welcome back to Aarav the Digital Vlogger. Today we are going to see my uncle's farm. This is ginger cultivation. This is coffee tree and this is coffee beans. Coffee powder is made by drying and grinding these beans. This is small chili. This is pepper. These pepper are vines that grow on trees. This is not going to be harvested. Now we are seeing the gooseberry. There is no gooseberry. Is orange tree. We plucked so many oranges. Look friends, now we see a butterfly. It's so beautiful. Look friends, now we are seeing the orange. The orange is so sweet and I like the orange. And I give this orange a small piece to my sister. So yummy, okay? The orange is so sweet and I like the orange. And I told that to my uncle that can you give me so many oranges, and my uncle gave me 2 oranges and he tastes me and it's so yummy. When I was telling you and showing you, this is my cousin's sister. We will see again the next video with the more about cardamom. Hope you all like the video. Please subscribe, like and share. I am Aarav signing off.